So let's talk more tonight about this report and its findings with Nick Pope, a journalist who used to run the British government's UFO project. Nick, thank you so much for being here. First off, what do you make of this report and what does it say about the UFO phenomenon here in the U.S.?
Well, it says that this phenomenon has completely come out of the fringe and into the mainstream, and that it's now being recognized by the United States government, the military, and the intelligence community as a serious defense and national security issue. A few years ago, this would have all been dismissed as crazy talk and X-Files science fiction. But now we learn the government has been taking it seriously. Not all these stories have been verified, but Congress is looking at this, and the Intelligence Committee, the Armed Services Committee are investigating, and we will get more information soon, for sure.
So how do you explain the accounts of those who say that they encountered UFOs?
Well, they definitely have. I mean, these people have encountered something, and we know that because and this is in the report, of course. It's not just eyewitness testimony. Some of these things have been simultaneously tracked on radar and filmed on forward-looking infrared cameras. And of course, last summer, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence produced a preliminary assessment on all this, and they said, frankly, we don't know what we're dealing with, but it's in our airspace, and it's a potential threat to the defense of the United States.
Okay, so is this report, is its findings evidence that we have, in fact, been visited by beings from another planet?
It's not quite a smoking gun, but that hypothesis has not, so far as I understand, has not been taken off the table. So the debate is still being had. Is this Russia? Is it China? Is it our own tech? Or is it extraterrestrial? Everything is up for grabs, and we'll find out more, I think, over the next few months.
Yeah, so let's talk about what happens next. You mentioned some congressional investigations. What does the U.S. government do with this information? And, well, what is it doing with the info?
Well, multiple UFO provisions were written into the new defense bill, and Congress is going to make sure that all the different parts of the military and the intelligence community work on this. There are going to be regular reports to Congress. Some of that, of course, is going to be classified, but there should be at least one public report each year. And yeah, a lot of people are asking very serious questions about this, and rightly so. This is long overdue.
All right, Nick Pope, really appreciate it. Interesting conversation, interesting report. We'll see what happens next. Thank you.
Thanks.